we'll learn how to hard reset or power wash a HP Chromebook. If you forgot the password and cannot log in, then you can hard reset and you can then log in. Okay, or if there is any malfunction in the Chromebook, like it becomes slow or some app is not working, then you can hard reset or power wash. So how you can do that? So first what you will do, press this button ESC, this one, and power button. Okay, but please make sure you insert the power button. Okay, so press ESC, this one, and power button simultaneously, and after 1 or 2 seconds, release all of those. Now we need to wait. Display will come back. Yep, it says Chrome operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But you do not need to insert anything. What you will do, press Ctrl, Alt and D. Okay, these three buttons, Ctrl, Alt and D. So this D here. Now it says to turn operating system verification off, press enter. We need to press enter. After that, it will come back. We need to wait. So now it says press space to re-enable. So we need to press space bar, this one. Now we need to press enter here. Now the system will reboot and local data will be cleared. Now the Chromebook will reboot, restart, and all of the data will be cleared and it will be like a new Chromebook. Okay, this method works for any model of HP Chromebook. Even this method works for other brand like Dell, Acer, Asus, any other brand, the same method. So now display come back and it becomes a new Chromebook. Yep. Now we need to start from the beginning. Get started. So get started. We need to add Wi-Fi. Not this one, Milky Way. So now it's loading. Yep, accept and continue, and next. Now you can sign in with your email ID or you can browse as a guest. So browse as a guest. So yep, now it's working and it becomes like a new Chromebook and all of the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.